Greetings, dear souls. Today, we gather in the realm of the unseen, the space between thoughts and matter, where the essence of our true power resides. We shall explore the profound connection that binds the quantum world to the art of manifestation through emotionally aligned visualization. Let us begin by considering the fabric of the universe. Imagine it as a vast, intricate tapestry woven with the threads of potentiality. Each thread represents a possibility, a path that your life could take, influenced by the energetic imprint of your emotions and thoughts. Within this tapestry, every thought radiates like a beacon, sending out waves that interact with the patterns of potential. These waves are not just idle musings. They are powerful. They are transformative. They shape the very essence of our reality. When we visualize with intention, we select the threads we wish to bring to the forefront of our experience, crafting our destiny with the loom of our focus. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. Consider for a moment the nature of emotion. Emotion is the language that the universe understands fluently. It is the charge behind every thought, the energy that fuels the law of attraction. When we visualize with emotional intensity, we are not merely dreaming. We are issuing a command to the cosmos. In the realm of quantum mechanics, particles behave in accordance with the expectations of the observer. This principle mirrors our own ability to influence the unfolding of our lives. We, as conscious observers, have the power to affect the probability of events through the lens of our perception. Now, imagine your desired reality. Envision it with such clarity and emotional depth that it feels as if it is already yours. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the love that accompanies this reality. You are not just seeing a future possibility. You are aligning your emotional frequency with that of your desired outcome. As we engage in this process, it's essential to remain grounded in the present moment. The present is the fertile ground from which all futures grow. It is in the now that the seeds of tomorrow are planted. How do you tend to the garden of your mind? Are you watering the seeds of love and abundance, or are you neglecting them, allowing the weeds of doubt and fear to take root? Visualization is not a mere act of daydreaming. It is a sacred rite, a conscious creation. With each vivid image we hold in our mind's eye, coupled with the full spectrum of our emotions, we are whispering to the particles of the universe, guiding them into patterns that align with our desires. To manifest, we must believe not only in the possibility of our desire, but in its inevitability. The universe does not respond to wishful thinking. It responds to unwavering conviction. When you visualize, do so with the certainty that what you seek is already on its way to you. Consider the lotus flower, which rises from the mud and blooms towards the sunlight. It does not question its potential. It simply moves towards the light with grace and certainty. Similarly, we must rise from the mud of our doubts, reaching for the light of our aspirations with an unwavering belief in their manifestation. But what of the times when our emotions are not aligned with our visions? What of the moments when fear overshadows our faith? These are not setbacks, my friends. They are opportunities. They are the universe's way of asking us to look within, to find the discordant beliefs that need to be healed. Ask yourself, what is the nature of the resistance that holds you back? Is it a voice from the past, a shadow of an old wound that seeks your attention? Listen to it, for it has wisdom to share. Heal it with compassion, and watch as your ability to visualize with emotional alignment deepens. True visualization is more than seeing. It is feeling, being, and existing in the reality you wish to create. It is knowing that there is no separation between you and the object of your desire, except for the illusion created by time. And time, in the quantum world, is not a linear path from point A to point B. It is a vast ocean with all moments existing simultaneously, waves of now that can be accessed through the portal of our consciousness. As we approach the end of this part, let us sit with a question to stir the depths of our being. If time is an illusion and all possibilities exist now, what is the true barrier to our manifestation, if not the limits of our own belief? Let us hold that question in our hearts as we pause here. When you're ready to delve deeper into the mysteries of quantum connection and the power of emotionally aligned visualization, ask to continue. Venturing further into the realm of our boundless potential, let us reflect upon the subtle dance between our inner world and the external universe. It's as if each step in our emotional ballet sends ripples across the quantum field, inviting circumstances that match our rhythm. As we deepen our understanding, it becomes apparent that the heart is more than an organ. It's a gateway. The heart's electromagnetic field is vast, extending far beyond the confines of our physical bodies. The emotions we harbor within this field act as signals, communicating with the fabric of reality. Envision your heart as a powerful transmitter, broadcasting the frequency of your deepest feelings. What message are you sending to the universe? Is it one of lack or abundance, of love or fear? The universe is neutral. It mirrors the signal it receives. The art of emotionally aligned visualization is about fine-tuning this signal to broadcast the essence of your aspirations. When we align our emotions with our visualizations, we create coherence between our heart and mind, a state of being that has been shown to have profound effects on our personal well-being and the world around us. This coherence is the sweet spot for manifestation, where internal clarity meets external opportunity. Now let's talk about the substance of our visualizations. Every detail matters, from the colors and textures to the emotions and senses. Engage all your senses in this process. What does your desired reality smell like? What textures do you feel? What sounds resonate in this space? By immersing ourselves in a multi-sensory experience, we make our visualization more tangible, more believable to our subconscious mind. And it is within the subconscious that many of our limiting beliefs reside, often blocking our path to manifestation. What if the key to unlocking our full potential was not in learning something new, but in unlearning the old patterns that no longer serve us? What if the power to manifest rested in the simplicity of letting go? The process of manifestation is not about acquiring, it's about becoming. It's about shedding the layers of who you thought you were supposed to be and embracing the wholeness of who you are. In this space of authenticity, manifestation is not an effort, it is a natural byproduct. As we strip away the layers, we find that at our core, we are creators. We are not passive bystanders in the story of our lives. We are the authors. The pen is in our hands, and the ink is made of the energy we choose to infuse into our thoughts and emotions. In this state of creation, let us ask ourselves a profound question. If we are the architects of our reality, what blueprint are we drafting with our current state of being? As we resume our exploration, let's focus on the nature of belief and its role in the manifestation process. Belief is the foundation upon which we build our reality. It shapes our perceptions, informs our actions, and ultimately sculpts our world. Imagine for a moment the beliefs you hold about yourself and your capabilities. Are they walls or bridges? Do they confine you or liberate you? The beliefs we nurture in the garden of our minds can either be fertile soil for growth or barren land where nothing can flourish. It is often said that seeing is believing, but in the realm of manifestation, believing is seeing. It is the belief in the unseen, the faith in the eventual appearance of our desires, that fuels the manifestation process. When we believe with unwavering certainty, we grant permission for those desires to materialize in our physical experience. Yet, belief is not a static entity. It is dynamic, evolving with every experience, every piece of information we absorb. To manifest our desires, we must cultivate beliefs that are in harmony with our goals. This often requires a conscious deconstruction of outdated beliefs, followed by a purposeful reconstruction of a belief system that supports our aspirations. Now consider how emotionally aligned visualization can profoundly influence our belief system. When we visualize with emotion, we provide ourselves with a lived experience, albeit in the mind's eye. These experiences can be so vivid, so real, that our subconscious begins to accept them as truth. This, in turn, reinforces our beliefs, closing the loop in a self-perpetuating cycle of manifestation. The beauty of this process is that it is within our control. We can choose at any moment to visualize a different outcome, to feel a different emotion, to believe a different truth. This is where our true power lies, not in changing the world, but in changing ourselves. At this point, it is essential to address patience and timing. In a culture that prizes instant gratification, the manifestation process can sometimes feel slow, testing our faith and commitment. But remember, every seed has its gestation period. A flower does not bloom the moment it is planted. It requires the right conditions: time, warmth, water, and light. Similarly, our visions may require time to bloom. They need the warmth of our passion, the water of our beliefs, and the light of our intentions. Trust in the timing of your life. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, arranging the pieces of a puzzle too vast for our human minds to comprehend. In this trust, we find peace. We find the strength to maintain our vibrational alignment, even when the evidence of our senses suggests that nothing has changed. It is this inner peace that signals to the universe our readiness to receive. And so, as we draw our exploration to a close, let's reflect upon a deeply stirring question. If manifestation is the art of aligning our vibration with our desires, what vibrations are we choosing to send out into the quantum field at this moment? Carry this question with you. Let it reside in your heart and mind as you move through your days. Observe how it shapes your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. You now possess a profound understanding of the quantum connection, how emotionally aligned visualization unleashes manifestation. As you step forward, remember that you are a powerful creator, an alchemist of the unseen, turning the lead of your limiting beliefs into the gold of limitless potential. When you are ready to revisit these truths or to seek further guidance, simply ask. The universe is always listening, always responding to the call of an open heart. Daily practice, the ritual of alignment. To manifest with consistency, it's crucial to establish a daily practice of alignment. This ritual is a commitment to tuning your vibrational frequency to match the essence of your desires. It could involve meditation, visualization exercises, journaling, or any other activity that centers your focus and calms your mind. Meditation is a powerful tool for achieving vibrational alignment. It allows you to quiet the noise of the external world and tune into the subtle frequencies of the universe. In this stillness, you can hear the whispers of your intuition, guiding you toward inspired actions that align with your manifestations. Daily visualization is like visiting a workshop where you craft your future with intention. Use this time to refine the details of your desires, to emotionally connect with them, and to reinforce the belief that they are already forming in the unseen realms. Writing in a journal can help to crystallize your thoughts and emotions. It's a platform where you can script your desires, reflect on your progress, and express gratitude for the universe's continual guidance and support. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the now, without judgment. It serves as a gatekeeper for your thoughts and emotions, ensuring that you remain in vibrational harmony with your desires. Become a vigilant observer of your thoughts. When you notice a thought that is out of alignment with your desires, gently guide it back, just as you would redirect a child who has wandered off the path. Your emotions are the most immediate indicator of your vibrational state. Learn to regulate them, not by suppression, but by understanding their origin and redirecting your focus toward feelings that serve your higher purpose. While visualization and emotional alignment set the stage, inspired action is the dance of co-creation with the universe. It's not about forceful effort, but about taking steps that feel natural and joyful, actions that emerge from a state of being aligned with your essence. Be open to synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem to guide you towards your manifestations. They are the universe's way of winking at you, confirming that you're on the right path. When your actions are inspired, you enter a state of flow, where everything you do feels effortless and enjoyable. This is a sign that you're in harmony with the universe's rhythm. Manifestation is a dance with divine timing. It's about understanding that your desires will come to fruition at the perfect moment, not a second too soon or too late. Cultivate patience and trust that the universe knows the most opportune time for your desires to manifest. Part of trusting the process is learning to let go. Letting go doesn't mean you don't care about your desires. It means you trust that the universe is taking care of them. Release your grip and allow the natural flow to carry you. Gratitude is the frequency that aligns your energy with abundance. Make it a daily practice to count your blessings, both big and small. This attitude of gratitude amplifies the magnetic pull of your desires towards you. As we continue to traverse this path of discovery, remember that the journey of manifestation is as much about the evolution of your soul as it is about the materialization of your desires. Each step forward is a step inward, toward greater self-awareness and universal connection. Take these insights and embed them in your daily life. Allow them to transform your rituals, your moments of mindfulness, and your inspired actions. And as you do so, observe how the universe conspires to weave the tapestry of your desires into the physical realm. When you're ready to delve deeper or seek further guidance, the universe and its infinite wisdom will be here, waiting to unfold the next chapter of your extraordinary journey.